Let me explain further about the boiling nature of solvents. The solvents can be classified based on their boiling range as low boilers, high boilers, then medium boilers. Low boilers generally they have the boiling point less than 100 degrees centigrade. Medium boilers they have the boiling point in the range of 100 to 150 degrees Celsius, and higher than 150 degrees Celsius can be called high boilers. By adding such high boilers you will have better flow, but usually low boilers are used in spraying paints, but there will be a problem of dry spray. So to avoid this we can add some, that is the retarders or high boilers here, either from the medium or from the high boiler. So because by the time the paint goes from, that is ejected out from the spray gun, if the distance is too much, the distance between the spray gun and the component to be sprayed, if it is too much means then it will cause some dry spray. So the distance should be maintained. But even if the distance is maintained, sometimes because of the poor formulation you will get a lot of dry spray also. So in that case a formulator can incorporate high boilers as the retarder so that it will avoid fast evaporation. Then bitterness, that is because of the poor combination of solvent that results the that is incompatibility or poor solvency. So in that case you have to use the true solvents, and then it may result in precipitation if the ratio of diluent is high. Usually the diluent, adding diluent, that will considerably reduce the cost. They are not true solvents, but they are cheaper than true solvents. But if you have got a proper solid content of resin, you can add some more, that is the diluent, thereby you can reduce the cost of your paint. Usually diluents are aliphatic hydrocarbons, but when you have such kind of that is mixture of thinners, mixture of solvents as thinners, you have to take care of the ink stability. You have to check for it, because some of the solvent vapors will be occupying the top layer and it may cause some blasting also. It will burst the tin and it will be going on, it will be participating in the reaction also. So we have to avoid such kind of combination. Then evaporation rate is also a very important parameter to decide the formulation of paint. And flash point is the temperature at which it catches fire. So this is meant for paint as well as for solvent. Then by considering all these parameters you can reduce the cost by adjusting the viscosity of the paint to the required level.